Hey kids, here's 5 things that you can give at Christmas time. The first one is a classic, a Christmas card. This one's a book one, but you can make your own one. Write in it the nicest words, things that you love about someone, and encourage them. Another option is you could write out a Bible verse for someone. Pick a verse that you know will encourage them and write it out fancy letters. You could even put it in a frame. The next one is something that is my favorite. I love flowers. Sometimes I go foraging for them. So have a look around your garden and see if you can find some beautiful flowers to give to someone. If you're super fancy, you could even hang them upside down and dry them. I like to make dried flower bouquets, and I just tie them all up together and then they're a beautiful gift. We also went strawberry picking this summertime, and you could make jam. So we got our strawberries, we mixed them all up together, and we made strawberry jam that we're gonna give to people. As you can see, I have been loving it and eating it. So that's another cool thing that you could make. It's super easy. And the final thing is super fun. To give some people that extra bit of joy, decorate your house with Christmas lights. I hope you enjoyed all those things that you could give at Christmas time. And remember, Christmas isn't just about receiving, it's about giving our hearts to Jesus. Merry Christmas, everyone!